Shincho, today I would like to introduce you to a everybody, the middle-aged dress. We will sew this pattern out of linen. It's going to have pleats on the arm, and this neck will be deep down the chest, and there will be ticks. There will be a dress down here. This dress will be folded and unfurled. This will help my middle-aged sister. It is very elegant and polite. So now we're going to go into the design part. We'll have shoulder to shoulder with this model. Necklace, chest ring, waist round butt, and waist length. This is what you're going to measure on your body. I have a measurement guide in the channel. If you don't know how to measure, check it out. This black number is the change number. According to each person's body, you measure and apply this number to the formula I will share shortly after. You will get the old part, and we're going to sew this, my own model. As a first step, I will draw for the long part. It's a long dress here. You see, it's going to be about the same size. It depends on the height of each person you get fit. The length here is 85. Sisters, I'll take it depending on the height I get. And then you're going to shoulder to shoulder, shoulder to shoulder. Divided by 2, 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I took 16. Then down to 4. I married her and divided the year. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Take over 6. Then we'll take the lower chest. Lower chest is with chest. Divide by 5 plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I will measure the start. It's 18 millimeters down from the top. Line dash. And then I'll take the breast. Is breasts divided by 4 plus 2, 80? Divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Then I'll take it down and I'll lower my waist by ha measurement. Then take it across the waist, it will be the waist. Divide by 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. From here you will descend to 18. Gasoline centimeter 18 20. Till the size of each of you will be different. Then I'll divide my ass by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. It's 22 and then I'm back. Here we will get the form of the dress. After that, we'll build a perpendicular line. You two back off. Split in half again. I'll turn the lid around. Then this neck, you will. Let's start doing the following. I'll back off with to gas. This neck will go down to number 14. Then you connect this. And then I split it in two. We're going to get the collar this way. And you take this middle point. That's where we're going to start. We make the leaves and the legs like shirts. Let's get lucky here. That means I'll show you. Then from here we go back 8 inches. I pull down 14 or 15 millimeters of gasoline, depending on the height. Cut this road out of for petrol. You can draw the vertical side. And that's when we finish the body first. And this previous body, it's going to break down, tear off the waist. And it's going to have a cleavage, so yeah. From this previous body, I'm going to give you 6. I connected this road. Then you will expand. We're going to get the cleavage. I'll show you later and I'll show you. And then for the body, I'll do it. Like this. In the back, I'll go up here and there's 2 millimeters of gas, and I'll draw the armpit line. And here you've got 1 less gas, and this armpit doesn't flutter 7. And here I will take out 3 petrol, then we'll get the back body. Now I'm going to cut it. And this pattern is unsewn. My sisters will leave the seam. Let's cut up the fabric. And watch here. Remember to like and support the channel. Click subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm going to cut most of it today. And then we'll get the torso here. The body of the shirt. Then the next body you will take out the piece below. The next part will be different from the previous one. Take out that piece of potato down here and drop a little gas here. And the back of the body, it won't have that. The folding part. So I will. Let's cut this little 6. But if you want the weak part, it's wide. Then you can cut it into 6 pieces. 6 inches, but down here you put 4 petrol. Then we'll get the weak. I painted the side. Here you split in 2. That's for petrol from this side of the road, and take it down from about 16 to 14 to 16 gasoline. This will be the back body after multiplying for this part doubled. Or if you pull the melon, you can remove it. Then we'll be to pieces. And if we double down, in this part, you can check zippers on the side so we can plant the head. And then we're done with that shit. Now I'm going to adjust for the first part. If you are here, you will cut here. Cut here. Then I reduce the lid. Then you'll give me the rib. And then after it's done. So we're going to imagine this is 6 inches. This is 8 inches. I'm going to put this part together. 8, you can get 4. Fold back. There are 4 so that the part. This shirt is on the right side. Then it hits the waistline again, and the rest of this you're going to put in, so that it's equal to the waist on the body. Is okay. And we're going to have this folding on top of the body. Like this. This part of the body is called a body. If the body before me is finished, it will be. It is so ha. Then you can imagine the hips. This is the front body and this will be the back body. And now I'm going to continue with the sleeve and the neck. Here you will get rounded. The previous body is 20. The second line here is 22, so we'll draw the sleeve. Then I'll get you the part. If you lower your armpits, it will be equal to your chest. Divide 10 by 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is 13. We take down to 13. And put up a perpendicular line. Then you take the armpit ring first is 20. Plus the back armpit ring is 22. 42 divided by 2 is 21. I'll take over 21. Then split it in half. I'll draw the armpit line up D to down D1. With this hand, it will be empty. So, you guys build a right angle and back. Give me this part of the year. We're going to cut off the hand and the hybrid hand. Tick tock, tick tock. Here you determine the length of the arm. It's already here. But you're going to look at your sleeves. It'll have a line below the part. I'll cut it before I cut it. It's 3 inches even if you fold it. Then you put it like this and we'll fold it in. Then I cut it like this. Then you will get the folding part. When I turn it over, it will have a picture. Like this, I won't be missing part. Please touch my hand, it will not be infected. Here we'll get the sleeve. And then next you will down with a gas. So we get the body first. We're going to put it in the armpit first. We'll put this in the back armpit, in the sleeve. Now I'm going to tell you the old part. We will measure it starting from here. Here I measure from the bottom 7. Then I'll measure this neck for 12. 7 plus 12 is 19, right? 7 plus 12 is equal to 19. And we'll take a length is equal to 19. Then, ladies, give me to gas. We can draw the leg. On the left side, we will cut. It's going to be 7 gasoline. Then you will get the part. The cotton rack fits into the body like this. In that case, you want us. This leg, you can cut off one more leg of your shirt. So we're going to assemble this leaf here. That's where we put the cover. And this residue we're going to put together in that part. Body after. This residue fits into the back. So this is my old leaf. Then these are all the details that we do today. So that you can design a dress. For middle age. It's made of wool, ladies. Here's the collar. This is the shirt. I'll talk about how Fortunately for you to imagine, first of all, I'm ready for this part. May fold this part. Put these two together to get the front. Then you'll sew the back of the body. Let's put these two lines together. Put the 2 ribs together and then you iron them out. And we're going to sew the hand. Then we put our hands in the body. We sew our hands to the body. After the increase, if your hands are in your hands, fold them down. We'll sew the ribs. Sew the ribs from bottom to top. And the hand part. Let's pack this shirt too. We sew the side road so that we can tattoo the body. And this neck, you're going to cut it into layers. I may iron her. Let's sew this corner over here. This is the double fabric. And then you turn the cloth around and we plasticize the neck. Next, you cut the splint. We attach the neck to the body. And we're going around from front to back. And the last one is that you're going to be lucky. And who sew the zipper? Remember, except for this side road. Let's check the zipper. Or we'll check the zipper. Anyway is okay. And I just finished it. I wish you success. Remember to like to support the channel. Thanks and see you later.